guys, something a little bit different this afternoon. We're in a Citroen Berlingo MPV. So this is a 1.6 diesel, I think it's called an XTR. It's a very high spec vehicle. It's one owner, full service history, and we're off for a test drive. Here we go, something a bit different this afternoon, a Citroen Berlingo Xtr. So this is an MPV based on the Citroen Berlingo van, I guess, but this is a superb people carrier, really high spec machine as well. So we've got front driving lights down the front there and that special insert in the bumper. You've got side rails down the bottom, you've got roof rails up on the top up there, look. Really good spec when we get inside. We'll have a quick look. So these seats will all clip out and everything. I think that's how it works. It'll fold up anyway. It makes a huge cavernous space. There's all sorts of clever little storage spots there. Little baskets above here, loads above there, look. There's even little storage places under here. These back windows for the kids or whatever have little blinds on them, look. As well, oh, there's picnic tables. So they can sit and have the McDonald's in peace, or a picnic or whatever. There's a cup holders there as well. Sliding doors. These windows open. Cavernous in the back here. I can't believe how big this is. Still got its original parcel shelf. Still got its original clip-out torch. Obviously, if you fold all that down, you end up with a massive space. I think the XTR might be the top of the range one. Not 100% sure. Oh, there's the thing, there we go. So you can fold that down in the middle there, look. Just have an extra space there for brews and one thing and another. Right, let's have a look inside here. See what we've got. So we're showing 91,979 miles. If it's flashing on the video, it's just the camera, not the dashboard that's flashing. Lots of service history with it. The first one I saw was 6,000, the last one was in I think July last year, so I think we're basically looking at a full service history. We've got aircon, lighting up, obviously untested at this time of year. Electric windows, front windows are electric, and the mirrors are electric as well. They work on here. There we go, that's that one working. I'll show you the other side. There you go. That's working away as well. We've got another drinks holder here. Central locking, you can lock the vehicle. It's on auto locking at the minute, so it locks when you drive off. You've got a 12-volt charger, stroke cigarette lighter there. Stereo system with CD. Huge centre cuddy box there. We've got the handbook and everything. Look at the rest of the video. Looks like there's some USB auxiliary connection ports there. Sorry, not USB. Loads of lights and stuff. Really clean on the headlining. Generally inside there's some signs of use, but it's not filthy and there's no rips or anything in these lovely seat facings. Look, we've got folding armrests on both seats. Adjustable heights for your seat belts and stuff. Right, we'll turn all these clickers and flashes off and knock it off, and we'll go outside and have a look round and see what we can see. Huge door pockets again with more cup holders and spaces for stuff. Righto, we're going to start at the driver's door. I don't think there's too much to mention on that driver's door. Oh, there is actually. And when you get really, really close, there's little tiny scratches from where they've been grabbing the handles. There's a tiny scratch there that will polish out. Original wheel trim in good order. This corner's looking good here. Tiny little bits of paint flake going on that bonnet, and there will be stone chips if we get up close, but as you can see, generally she's really well presented as this car. Little bit of scratch on the silver part of that bumper there. The whole bumper's intact, there's no cracks or splits or anything. Another good wheel trim. This is all mud where I've wiped it down before I made the video. Come off the farm lane, it's all good there. The door is good, the plastic sill's good at the bottom. Little bit of drama on the corner of the mirror. I've not took the tape off, it's still working as it should, the electric mirror and everything. That door is looking good. Again, I'm pretty sure that's mud. A little bit of teacut wanted just on the petrol flap. Another original wheel trim. Back corner's good. Still got the nice silver trim across the bottom of the bumper there. The whole back panel's looking very tidy. That corner's fine. No broken lights or anything. Last of the original wheel trim's still in good order. Didn't just mention, the last thing I didn't mention as well, just jumping back inside, these rear windows do clip open. There's a little clip there and they just hinge out a bit. So it really is a multi-purpose vehicle. One owner, full service history. Watch the rest of the video, see it driving around. Okay, we'd like to do a short brake test, so we're doing about 35-40 miles an hour or something here. I'm just going to slam on the brakes really hard right now. Here we go. So very squarely in the middle of the road, pull to the left or the right. Camera person neither join me in the front, which is always a sign that we've got good brakes, and off we go again. Okay, service history on the Berlingo. We've got Bristol Street Motors servicing it there in 2011 at 6,008 miles. And then we go on to this one that's done all the work, basically apart from that one that's been done at Cambridge. So we've got one for 13,000 miles in 2012 there, Cambridge Motors. Cambridge Motors in 2013, that one's recorded in the book as well there. Cambridge Motors 2014 at 30,000 miles, but not in the book. 2015 at 37,000 miles in the book. That's the last one that's stamped in the book. 16, 45,000. 16, new tyre. 17. Doesn't actually have a mileage on that one for some reason, unless I'm missing it. 18, 60,000 miles. Another full service. Oh, rear brake disc and pads as well. 18, new battery. 19, full service, 67,000 miles. A new front tyre. 300 odd quid that one. 20, another full service. No mileage on that one again. 20, rear tyre. 20, rear springs and horn. Quite a big expensive invoice. Timing belt kit. 21, 76,000 miles. So the timing belt's been done. That's brilliant news. 82,000 mile service in 22. 88,500 mile service in 23, in July 23, so it's not due a service. And it also, in June 2023, last year, had new front brake pads as well. So it's quite an amazing history with it, really. So just finishing off on the paperwork, we've got the full handbook, both original keys, logbook, no former keepers, it's a one owner vehicle. We've got the wallet, the service book, the current MOT, which runs until the end of July with no advisories. Show you the vehicle on full lock. What we're demonstrating is no noises from the front drive shafts or a suspension or anything. So here we go, this is full lock one way. No clicks, no groans, no moans from power steering. Full lock the other way. Again, no groans, no moans, no clicks. And now we'll zoom off up the hill. Just have to get off this gravel before we can accelerate. Here we go. Oh, I thought it was being a bit. Look at that. A matter of seconds and we're at 50 miles an hour. Ooh, you could cross continents in this one. There is a spare wheel under this corner, under here, but as yet we haven't found the toolkit, so just bear that in mind. It's a lovely, lovely car, this. Okay, so it is exactly what it says on the tin. It's an MPV, a multi-purpose vehicle. You fold the seats down, it's like the size of a van. You can get 5 people in here, there's storage space all over. It's a one-owner vehicle, it's got a full service history with it, quite a good bit of MOT. It's got both the keys, the handbooks, and it's all ready to go. If you like what you see and you want to own this MPV, get in touch.